DJI Mini 5 Pro, Fly More Plus. Alright, let's get into it. As usual, the barcode, carry strap, yeah, the zip feels reasonable. I don't like the way it folds back. That feels like that's going to, over time, that's not good. And that was my first gripe. Let's have a look what we've got in here. Keep it dry packages in its own zip case, yay. They're probably for the filters. This is the bit I like. So they've done good now, they've got their own remotes if you buy the good one. That's the aerials. See if it's got power. Oh, yeah, it's got 2 bars. Typical drone turn on, touch and then hold down. 2 bars, they don't need charging. Let's whack that on charge straight away. Fly more. So, oh, that's the drone. I thought that was the battery pack. Oh, I like that. That's an interesting protector. Nice soft plastics. That's the battery pack. It's a plus, so these should be the 52-minute batteries. But we will see. That's it, eh? Is that better? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 extra set of propellers. Right, let's unhook this now that I can see. Oh, it comes from this way, I see. Alright. Pulls off. I see. The phone was in here holding. I might keep that actually. I want to put it away. Yep, it's there for a reason. The A's are the orange, the B's are the planes. Interesting. Interesting, I like that. That's so different than my last one. That's already tracking. Look at that.
Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press any button on aircraft to cancel.
Let's see what else is in the box. Oh, I bet you this is the filters. So on a bright day you need these sunglasses. What I call sunglasses. Let's have a look if this is right or not. I love this soft touch plastics. There they are. Those are cool, man. But I've heard they're a bit harder to attach than were the old style ones, and they look like they are. And now what else comes in the box? What's this? Oh, a manual. So it does come with a manual. I'd rather scan mine and then read it on my phone, I suppose. That way at least if you save it on your phone, you've got it when you're out and about. Bring the memory card. Get out a filter. This is for really bright sunlight. I'll have to look which is which. 32.8 and 128. Well, there you go. It tells you right there. Now, I've heard that when you put these on, you've got a push back on the gimbal, and people are saying it's probably damaging the gimbal, but if you've got your foam in there, oh, that went on nice. That went on real nice. I don't see what the problem is, to be honest. I know they're delicate, but let's get it charged up and then we'll have a flight test. How about that?